Hey guys, how is it going? Today I have a crazy Magic Archer deck with the most broken card in this video game. Suspicious Bush, guys. It will get nerfed. I think nobody has realized how broken this card is. It's disgusting. It deals like, look at it, 1.4 hit speed, 256 damage per Bush Goblin, and it survives 3 Princess Tower shots, I'm pretty sure. Also, it reaches for buildings. It targets buildings while it has cover, and the opponent has to spell it. And even if they spell it, if they don't have a lot of splash damage in their deck, and you have a knight, a hero knight tanking for them, and you pop the ability, they will clear everything with their huge damage, and they will instantly get onto the tower. Oh my god, this card is so good to defend and simultaneously pressure your opponents, because your opponent can't really commit we are playing more of a cyclic deck, so my opponent can't commit all of their elixir into one push, because this card will destroy them, guys. It will go right onto the tower, and even if they play a log, I can get one hit in. They can't get a very good trade, unlike the Goblin Barrel, so I think it's broken. The Evo Skarmy is insane, honestly, especially in this deck. You can cycle it over and over again because it's one of the cheapest cards. Bush is also a 2 elixir card, guys. This card could be 3 elixir and it would still be okay, I think, guys. It's that broken. It's getting a nerf, and I think it's much needed because, guys, look at this win streak. I went 8 games undefeated. I switched the Skeleton Barrel with the Rune Giant for some more defense and kites, because Rune Giant is not very good, as you guys know, but she can enchant my Magic Archer while defending all the time, and also she can deal some cheap damage to the towers, and my Magic Archer can line up on the towers, and then the opponent will keep losing all of their troops from my side, and I can pressure both lanes with the Bush, guys. And also, don't forget that I have Rocket in this deck to finish everything off, and honestly, I should sub Rocket for the Lightning. It's a better spell, in my opinion. I wish we could fit Miner in this deck. It would be so disgusting. You could replace something for the Miner. Maybe Rune Giant for Miner, maybe would be even better. Oh my god, this deck is so disgusting, I swear. Inferno Tower is for clearing tanks. We have Magic Archer, we have Skarmy, and Barbarian Barrel, especially to clear out witches and swarms. We can kill Mega Knights with Inferno Tower plus Rune Giant, plus we can deal with Mega Knights being over leveled with Knight and Rune and Magic Archer, with Inferno Tower being replaced. This deck is so good, bro. And the Lightning can kill Furnaces, can kill Witches, can kill all of them and damage the tower simultaneously if the opponent makes a misplay, and we get a winning advantage just by that. The Rocket is good, and it deals more the damage to the Princess Towers, but the Lightning is so much more flexible. It also stands a little bit. Yeah, it's so much better. I think it's very underrated, in my opinion. You could also use it to spell down buildings and get a good elixir trade. So let's watch some of these games. We will watch both versions of the deck. Oh, we should watch this one. Oh, it's no longer available. Why? Oh, because there was an update, I think. Yeah, I think that's the reason. Okay, let's start with this then. You could even, guys, play Skeleton Barrel, and it's even more broken with that version. Play Skeleton Barrel on the right, and probably Magic Archer on the left to line up for the Witch. Yeah, the hero Magic Archer is as it's natural the MVP of this deck. Yeah, this card will get nerfed. Here I played the Skarmy to defend the Hog and not take damage. He played the Golden Knight that won't reach for my Magic Archer. And now he's so much elixir down, and you have to deal with both my... And look how much damage that will do. And oh my god, I stepped back again, and oh my days, bro. Look at the damage the boost deals. Half the tower gone almost. My god. And he has an overleveled knight. Otherwise, my hero wizard and my hero magical archer would have survived. Opponent gives us the well played already. Okay, he plays a cannon. Hopefully we can clear it here. We do. He plays a witch. I have a rocket as well. That's not really placed. And I get a line of, look, oh my god, man. Look at this. Inferno Tower is a little bit further, but it will still clear out the Valkyrie. Good night to distract the witch. No, it didn't distract the witch. She killed the magic archer, but still, I even made the misplay and we are fine here. Totally fine. Boost the other lane to pressure. He plays the knight. And if the boost reaches the towers, I can play magic archer at the bridge and line up any defensive troops. Disgusting combo. Okay, I played the knight. I played the Skarmy. I played the barrel on the other side. He played the golden knight. I went for the inferno. It will be cleared. Oh my god, that freaking card. But I got some cheap damage on the right. Magic archer to line up for the witch. I'm ahead on elixir. That's oh my god, what was that fireball? Oh my god, he already lost. Oh my god, look at the boost, bro. And he has King Tower activate. Now pressure both lanes. You can't do shit, bro. You can't do shit. My knight is hanging, I think. Oh, you are lucky. I'm lined up here. And he has Evo Valkyrie. Imagine if he didn't have Valkyrie. He would be totally screwed. I'm leaking a little bit here, but oh, Inferno Tower doesn't. Yeah, he tried Fireball. Ain't no way, boy. I have the rocket ready. Clean win. What else? Also, if they play something on near the Princess Tower to absorb the lightning, it will still get value. Oh, let's watch this. Totally over-leveled opponent. Still destroyed. Let's watch this. This was clean as well, I think. Oh my god. Yes, I am recording. Oh my god, luckily. Here we start off with a boost. He has Evo Witch. He plays it. I think I rocketed here and that was a good rocket. Yep. Ton of damage. Oh, he blinks. I play the Valkyrie. If I had Magic Archer, that would be free. Oh my god. Yeah, she graveyard. And I play the late Skarmy. Fully countered and I have a big counter push, but I do have damage on his Princess Tower and an Inferno Tower. He has the boss bandit though, but I'll be a little bit careful. Plays it on the bridge. Typical of these players. Okay, play the bush. Here I think. I took a little, no. That was a fine barrel. I only got 2 hits. And the bots, oh my god. Look at the marcher. Oh my god, it's clearing everything. Plays Kelly barrel. Plays a witch. I think that's bad in my opinion. The witch will get killed. Hopefully it doesn't line up just barely, but that will kill it. Yep, it's still alive. Oh my god, and I blocked. Oh my god, that's. Look at it. He doesn't have any elixir. Oh my lineups, bro. Oh my god, I took the whole tower almost for my side, bro. This deck is disgusting. Look at that boost damage. Wall breakers are good as well, but I think the boost is just better, bro. Only the Evo wall breakers are better. Yeah, it doesn't have an elixir, it just plays the prince at the bridge for some reason. These middle ladder players are so stupid. And the synergy between the Skelly Barrel and the Skarmy, oh my god, look at that damage, bro. He defended and he took 1 billion damage. He spams everything at the bridge. Okay, he has the Valkyrie. Okay, that will be an easy defense with the... Yeah, oh my god, with the Skarmy. Oh my god, bro, this card. Yeah, this is over. There's no chance. Do give him a little bit of an elixir advantage, but he can't. I predicted him here. Oh my god. What is that graveyard, bro? Yeah. Oh my god, nice. I have the rocket again to finish everything off. They don't know. Clean. Clean once again. Very nice. This deck is so good. Yeah, let's watch this as well. Maybe we'll show one loss as well. Haven't uploaded in very long. As the Zap plus Lightning. Okay, bro. Play the Rune Giant in the back. I told you that I would showcase both cards in the deck. And I think with the Rune Giant, it's even better. And the Rune Giant has synergy with the bush, bro. This is disgusting, man. And I play Magic Archer to line up. He can't do anything about this. Look at the damage, bro. Holy fuck. Even after they fixed that interaction with the Marcher and the Rune Giant, it's still broken. Play Rocket. Free defense. You don't have anything. I have Skarmy. He play a late bomber, but still it doesn't line up perfectly. And I have the bar barrel. And my Magic Archer will survive. Oh my god. And oh, he had Zap, but he took bad damage. And he's not down elixir, only having Mega Minion. Okay. We boost, have a Magic Archer on our hand once again. If he defends it, I can line up. Nice, I even... Oh my god, bro, look at this. Okay. The Mega Minion kind of counters Marcher, and he played the late ability. If he played earlier, that would be very good for him, I think. But he didn't. His deck is very expensive. If I was counting a cycle, I would destroy him if I counted better. Not that I am not playing well, but I could even do better. Goes for the giant the back. I go for the rune giant. Okay, good bomber, but I will play magic archers to line that up. And I will also and I will step back. Oh my god, and your witch, she's dead. Bro, that was clean. That was clean defense. That was very clean. Play Skarmy for the Mega Minion as well. No damage, by the way. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Step back here. Nice. Look at the bush at the other lane and we line up. There's so much synergy going on in this deck. Look at the. Oh my god. He gave up. Oh my god. This is so disgusting. Very nice. Bro had enough. Let's go. I only have wins after the update, unfortunately. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Try this deck before it gets nerfed. Magic Archer will get nerfed. Bush will get nerfed. It won't work as well, but this is amazing, guys. I got 8 straight wins, as you saw. We'll show you again just to be transparent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wins. Almost, yep. Very good deck. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.